This is Dr. Carroll, and this is another video in the Python dictionary series. This video is about aliasing and copying dictionaries. Just like with lists, for dictionaries, there's a big difference between aliasing and copying. So let's start with aliasing. So the assignment operator makes an alias of the dictionary to another dictionary. By alias, we mean a nickname, another name for another reference to that dictionary. So let's look at some examples here. If we have a dictionary called to buy with milk, eggs, and mangoes as keys, and the respective values 6, 4 dozen, and 8, then we can make an alias of shopping for our to buy dictionary, and that will make an alias, a nickname, an additional reference to it. So no matter if we use the to buy dictionary reference or the shopping reference, it will have the same effect. So if we say, we need Mother's Day gifts, and for me that means I need 9 Mother's Day gifts, and so let's put that in our shopping list. Here now, if we display shopping list and just display the dictionary in its raw form, we're going to get milk, eggs, mangoes, and sure enough, the key Mother's Day gifts and the value. So then if we display to buy, it's yet another reference to that same dictionary, and so it'll display exactly the same thing, for they are the same dictionary. And so now let's talk about copying, which is different. And so we can use dictionary.copy. So the copy method, the dictionary copy method, makes a copy, not surprisingly. And so let's see some examples. So if we use the same to buy dictionary, but we call copy on that dictionary, it will return a copy of the dictionary and then assign it to inventory. And so if we delete mangoes out of that inventory, for example, and we print the inventory, notice mangoes are not in the inventory dictionary. Now let's print the to buy dictionary, and notice they are still in the to buy dictionary because they are 2 different mangoes. Let's see a graphical representation of this. So if we have a very similar, the to buy dictionary here with its keys and values, then if we have the Python statement shopping equals to buy, so we're using the assignment operator to make an alias of to buy or shopping, we just have yet another reference to that exact same dictionary. So it doesn't matter which one we use, we'll have the same effect. But if instead we said inventory equals to buy.copy, that's going to create a new dictionary and assign it to inventory. And so inventory references another dictionary at this point in time is identical, but in a different place in memory. There are 2 dictionaries. So let's just illustrate this further. If we delete from the to buy the original dictionary mangoes, notice they're gone from shopping as well because it's the exact same dictionary. Whereas if we remove the milk key value pair, the key value pair with milk as the key, from inventory, it does not change the to buy or shopping dictionaries. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it.